Okay, good morning, Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Okay, my topic for this morning, it's what you call this, July 18, 2023. It will be college algebra lesson number 14. This is now the heart and soul of algebra. One of the most interesting topics in algebra. This is a system of linear equations and two variables. The last time around, I discussed the solution of linear equation involving only one variable. But for lesson number 14, this is now lesson number 14. Okay, college algebra, lesson number 14, system of linear equations in two variables. The given equation now involves two variables. It could be x and y. Okay, the most important thing here in system of linear equations in two variables is how to solve the given equations. Okay, that's the main topic, how to solve two system of linear equations in two variables. Okay, let's try to bring out the solution of system of linear equations involving two variables. Linear equations, okay? So the highest power is just simply 1. So meaning it's simply x and y. Okay, the method of solution or the types of solution under algebra will be by substitution and by elimination. For the solution by substitution, it will just be only one, okay? It's either that you will solve y as a function of x, okay, from one of the equations, then put it on the next equation, that is the so-called solution by substitution. Under the method of solution by elimination, there are two types of so-called elimination by or solution by elimination, that is elimination by addition or elimination by subtraction. Meaning, if you try to eliminate the other variable, you will perform an addition operation. You will perform a fundamental operation addition. And the next elimination solution is actually you will perform a fundamental operation subtraction. Okay? So whatever the solution you will do under the so-called elimination, it will be the same answer. So under the so-called elimination, that is addition or subtraction, the result will be the same. Okay? Okay, let's try to bring out an illustration or an example problem involving the solution by substitution and elimination. Okay, that's the heart and soul of college algebra. A solution of a system of linear equations involving two variables. Linear. So meaning it's just simply x and y. The highest power of x is simply 1. Okay, let's try to give you an example for this morning. Solved by substitution and elimination. And we are given two linear equations involving two variables. Equation number 1. Okay, I will read equation number 1. 1/2 of x plus 1/3 of y, 1/3 of y equal to 3. That will be equation number 1. And the second system of linear equation is minus 3x plus y equal to 0. That will be equation number 2. Okay. The highest power of x on the first one is 1, or simply x, and the highest power of y on the first equation is also 1. So they are linear. That will be equation number 1. And for the second equation, the highest power of x is also 1, and the highest power of y is also 1. But under the study of algebra, if the exponent is 1, we don't write it anymore. So it will be something like this. It will just be simply x, or it will just be simply y. It is understood that this is y to the first power. Okay, this is x to the first power. This is y to the first power. Okay, I will try for that one. So this is x, right? First linear equation, second linear equation involving two variables. Okay, let's try to bring out the first solution. That is solution number 1 by substitution. Okay. From equation number 2, we write equation number 2 minus 3x plus y equal to 0. Try to solve for y. Y will be equal to 3x. Right? So we are now given y as a function of x. Okay? From equation number 2. We will get this value y equal to 3x. We put it on equation number 1. So I place it here. Y is equal to 3x. Okay? To equation number 1. Okay? So rewriting equation number 1, 1/2 of x plus 1/3 of y equal to 3. 1/2 of x plus 1/3 of y. But y is equal to 3x. Okay, we put it there. That's why the method of solution is a solution by substitution. After taking the relation of y equal to 3x, we put it for the value of y in the first equation. So what comes out now will just be simply pure x. Right? So 1/2 of x is actually x over 2. 1/3 of 3x, this 3 here cancel with this. What remains is x. Right? Equal to 3. Then try to multiply all terms by 2. Right? So x over 2 times 2 will be simply x. X times 2 will be 2x. 3 times 2 will be 6. Left hand side, combining similar terms. This is now pure algebra. Okay? X plus 2x will be 3x equal to 6. Solving for x, we multiply this one by 1/3. Okay? 3x times 1/3, this 3 here cancel with this. So x will be on what remains. Left hand side, it will be 6 times 1/3, or simply 6 over 3. And 6 over 3 is actually 2. So the unknown value of x is actually 2. And using the relation y equal to 3x from the derived relation of y as a function of x, in which we use it as a substitution to the equation number 1. Since y is equal to 3x, okay, it will now be 3 times 2. So y now will be 3 times 2, which is 6. So the answer for the given system of linear equation is actually x is equal to 2 and y equal to 6. Okay, that will be the first solution. Let's try to bring out the solution by using elimination. Okay, the solution by using elimination. Okay, first solution will be elimination by performing the operation addition. Okay, before doing that, we'll try to manipulate equation number 1, because equation number 1 involves fraction, right? So we want to eliminate first all the denominator. So I will rewrite the given equation number 1. Then we multiply all the terms by 6. So 1/2 of x times 6 will be 3x. Because these two here cancel with 6, what remains is 3. The coefficient of x now on the first term will be 3. Second one, 3 cancel with 6 here, what remains will be 2, right? So this will be 2y, and 3 times 6 will be 18. So after multiplying all the terms by 6, what comes out will now be a 3x plus 2y equal to 18. We call this equation 1a. It is still same as equation number 1, but it has no more denominator. Okay? It looks more handsomer now, right? We will rewrite equation number 2. Equation number 2 is actually minus 3x plus y equal to 0. That is actually equation number 2. And if you try to eliminate x, okay, we shall perform the operation addition. Okay, so this is operation addition. So 3x plus minus 3x, it will be 0. The operation is addition, right? This is plus, it is minus. The coefficients are both, the first one is positive 3, this is negative 3. So what comes out if we try to add will be 0. So that is the so-called elimination by addition. We eliminate x by adding this equation 1a and equation number 2. So 3x plus minus 3x will be 0, and 2y plus y will be 3y, equal to 18 plus 0 will be 18. So actually the first term is gone, right? So actually we could compute for y now. Y now will be equal to 18 over 3, or y is equal to 6. Okay, same as this one. So if you notice it, by performing the addition, performing the operation addition, we eliminate x and we could compute for y. That is the name of the solution, elimination by addition. And by adding it, okay, we eliminate x and we could compute for y, so y is actually 6. So using the relation y is equal to 3x, 6 now will be equal to 3 times x, so x now will be 6 over 3, or x is equal to 2. Same as this one. Right? That's elimination by addition. Okay, let's try to bring out solution number 3. It is still elimination, but we must have to perform the operation subtraction to eliminate the other variable. So if we try to rewrite or copy equation 1a, equation 1a is 3x plus 2y equal to 18. That is 1a. Okay. We will rewrite equation number 2. Equation number 2 is minus 3x plus y equal to 0. Okay. We try to multiply this equation here by 2. So minus 3x times 2 will be negative 6x. Okay. A y times 2 will be 2y, and a 0 times 2 will be equal to 0. Okay? So after multiplying equation number 2 by 2, what comes out is this. I will try to remove this one now. Okay? Then try to perform the operation subtraction. If we try to perform the operation subtraction, a 3x minus 6x will be 9x, right? This will now become a plus because the operation is subtraction, right? A 2y minus 2y, it will be 0. Okay? And for the right hand side, 18 minus 0 will still be 18. So meaning to say, if we try to perform the operation subtraction, we will eliminate y. Okay? So actually, this is gone. So what comes out after the subtraction of equation 1a and the resulting equation here, 9x is equal to 18. So x now will be 18 over 2, or x will be equal to 2. Right? So by performing the operation subtraction, we eliminate y, and we have computed already for x. And using the relation y equal to 3x, y now will be 3 times 2, or y is equal to 6. That will be our answer. So this 6 here is same as this one. Same as this one. So by bringing out 3 solutions, all the answers are actually the same. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, that's the solution of a system of linear equations involving 2 variables That is the first solution by substitution. Okay. Solution number 2 will be elimination by addition. If we try to perform operation addition, we'll eliminate the other one and we will compute for the other variable. And for solution number 3, okay, we will perform the operation subtraction, and by subtracting the resulting equations, we will eliminate the other one and we will compute for the other variable. Okay, that's it. Okay. So, for those of you who are taking college algebra, this is for you guys. If you want to subscribe to my channel is at youtube.com/@ProTVJ If you want to share it, please click share. Good morning from Los Angeles.